How to make SpringBoot project. First, go to start.spring.io website. Then choose your project management language, SpringBoot version, Java version, and other details. If you want, you can also add dependencies. Now click Generate button. And zip downloaded file. Open terminal and type mvn clean install command. The project will be built after all dependencies have been downloaded. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.